If this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe and tap the bell and you'll be the first to hear about new market trends here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer. I get calls and texts from people like you every day. So if you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe, leave me a text, and I'll be sure to answer you right away. In today's video, we're going to be looking at properties and price points along the waterfront area in downtown Toronto. Please stay tuned to the end because the best kept secrets at their end. Hello, in today's video, we're going to be looking at a number of condos with different price point ranges. The first one I'm going to do is a little condo here in Port York. It's under 600K. It's over 700 square feet. It's a great deal. It's a 1+ den. So let's take a look and see what happens here. So coming in at the entranceway, you've got this nice sized den, which can be used for an office or it could be closed off for a second bedroom. And right to the left of that is your laundry and a closet. So coming into the main area, you've got your full-size fridge here, double fridge with freezer. Got a nice full-size microwave, a nice range and stove oven, and you've got a double stainless steel sink and your dishwasher here. Lots of cupboard space up and below. And coming into the dining area here, you've got your dining room and living room. Very nice little unit. Plus, it has a gorgeous view of the lake, which is most important. And finally, coming back in, we'll check out the bedroom here and the washroom. So here's your bedroom with some windows that open for fresh air. So nice size, you could fit even a king in here. Nice full-size closet. Coming here back to the washroom, you have a full tub and shower. And then going back towards the entranceway, here's your closet again and laundry. So that's it for our next showing here. We're going to go a little bit more upscale. We're here on Queens Quay, 550 Queens Quay. This is a 800 square foot unit, around 800K price point. It's a 1+ den. So let's take a quick look. So coming in, we have a nice open concept kitchen here and living room, dining room combination here. Nice little center island here. The range is on the island and the stove. You got your dishwasher, a nice Bosch dishwasher, full-size Whirlpool fridge and freezer. Lots of cupboard space up and down. And of course the island is quartz. Nice size island with some chairs around it for entertaining or dinners. And then the living room itself, fair size. And then you have the den area, which is sort of like a solarium. And a really nice terrace. Nice size terrace for dining. They put a full-size patio table out here. And as you can see, it has a nice view of the lake out here as well. Let's go back in now. We're going to hit the bedroom. Bedroom has sliding glass doors so you can still view the outside. And I'm going to come around the other way because I wanted to show you the laundry here near the front entrance. There's a coat area here with the cabinet, and the washroom is separated, so there's a little powder room here so you can close off this for guests, and then you can open it and the bedroom walks right through, and you have a couple closets here for the bedroom, and so that's basically it. And here we are at the center of the Harbourfront area. We're at Harbour Square. I'm going to show you a $1 million condo. It's about $1,000 square foot about 1,000 square feet. So let's take a look. So coming in, we have a little entranceway hallway area with your laundry area right there. And on the left, we have a little powder room with a shower. And coming in, we have the master suite here. Nice floor-to-ceiling windows. And we have a full washroom here with shower and tub. Coming back in, we have the second bedroom or guest bedroom on the left here. It's got some nice cupboard space. And then coming in here, we have the open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area. A nice hardwood flooring, stainless steel sink. We got Bosch appliances here, range and oven. Got a nice Fisher-Paykel fridge and freezer, double. And we've got a nice little living room and dining room area here for entertaining. Wonderful spot for entertaining. Great spot here at 77 Harbor. So next we're going to look at this little unit at 16 Bonnycastle. It's about 500 square feet, under 600K. So let's take a look. So coming in, you've got your view of the open concept kitchen and dining room area. And a washroom right on the right here, full washroom with shower and tub. And you've got also at the entrance here, nice little coat closet here for storage. And you've got your laundry here. Washer and dryer. And in the kitchen here, you've got a little island. The island has the microwave built into it. A little table goes with it with 4 chairs around it. You've got a nice little stove and oven here. Stainless steel sink. And coming into the living room area, we have a nice little compact living room, but it's nice. And you have a little balcony area here with a nice view of Lake Ontario and the harbor. And coming back in, let's go check out the bedroom. Bedroom is a nice size. Has a walk-in closet. It also has a little study here. So this is a 1+ den, actually. Very nice little unit. Bonnycastle. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe and tap the bell and you'll be the first to hear about new market trends here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer. I get calls and texts from people like you every day. So if you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe, leave me a text, and I'll be sure to answer you right away. Now I'm here in the Distillery District. Right now I'm going to look at a condo. It's about 800 square feet. It's priced about $800,000. So let's take a quick peek. So we're here coming in, and we've got a washroom on the right. To be like a guest washroom. You've got your laundry here on the left. Then we've got a guest bedroom here. Now we have your living room, and the living room is open concept with a gorgeous corner unit, floor-to-ceiling windows, wrap-around balcony, and a little bit of a view of the Toronto Harbour there. Quite a cozy little living room. There's a little island with lots of storage. Some more cupboards. You've got your stainless steel appliances here. Nice full-size fridge. Lots of cupboard space. Full-size microwave. Now let's round the corner here to the master bedroom. And a full wash here off of it and a walk-in closet. If you've ever wondered what a $1.5 million condo on the waterfront in Toronto would look like, this is it. This is Humber Bay. We're out here in Mimico. We're looking at a $1.5 million 2-bed condo. Gorgeous living room with an extraordinary view and terrace out on a lake. Look at that beautiful view. So we're going to come back here and just take a little walk through the condo. So from the living room area, we're going to go into a nice little den or study area here, which could be used as a sunroom or, like I said, a den. Nice open kitchen here with double sink and marble countertop. A nice seating area for entertainment. Nice range there. Double stove, double fridge, freezer, and lots of storage and cupboard space. Now moving into the bedroom area. Got lots of storage, lots of cupboards. There's one bedroom that's being used as a study. Also has a bath and shower attached to it. And coming back into the master bedroom here. With lots of room here, lots of storage. Nice large bath. So that's it. Thank you for watching today my video on Toronto waterfront properties. Be sure to subscribe so you can see new and upcoming videos.